For doing your needs assessment or evaluating program outcomes, in some situations you might be interested in exploring demographic and community characteristics around a specific site location. In order to do that, you would go to Define Areas and Find Location. Now you can either enter the address of your site or put the lat long. In this example, I will type in the address of UCCE Sacramento and we will explore demographics around this site within a certain search radius. So I put in the address, go, and now it has created a pin. Now we can explore demographic and community characteristics by deciding what threshold distance we want to use. So depending on the problem you're working on, you might have a theoretical understanding or based on the process, how it works on the ground, you may have a sense of what distance you should be using to explore the demographics and community characteristics. So in this case, let's use the default, but if you do want to change, you can search it, or you can change it to, let's say, 2, 5, and 10 miles. You can either use buffers, drive time, or walk time distance. And I'll use bands. This gives us separate rings for each distance that we defined, and then hit apply. As you see, now it has created circular rings, which each ring representing these different search distances that we defined. Like in the previous video that you saw, for creating custom maps and defining geographic areas, you also get infographics even when you define your location. And similar to the previous video, now all the infographics that you explored earlier, you can also explore around a specific site location. Let's close this for now. Okay. Now, if you want to color code this and find variables of interest, then again, you would follow the same process that you did earlier. Create map, go to color coded map, and now again under your site, you will select this site because you are only interested in exploring demographics around this area. And for this one, you can choose the level of geographic detail to census tracts or block groups. Let's do census tracts. And now let's do total population. And now we can see the population within these different distance bands. If you want to explore some other variable, then we can again close this and let's turn off our other site locations. Okay, and again go to create maps, color coded map, and your site. Browse all variables. And let's do income. Okay. And now if we want to search for median household income or percentage of population that uses SNAP funding, here you have median household income by different age groups. So let's just take this as an example for households receiving food stamps. And you can either do your calculation count or percentage. And now based on this, you can see whether you have a higher population within this different distance bands that relies on food stamps.